Hi, good afternoon. Today we're looking at a Nicama clip-on microphone directly from Amazon, the LVM4. This is to replace one I managed to snap off a few months ago. It wasn't this model, it was a different model. But nevertheless, this is a replacement for it. The difference between this one and the old one, apart from this one works, it's got a 3.5mm jack on it. The old one had a lightning port adapter, which was ideal for my phone. However, I wasn't able to charge the phone as well as using the camera at the same time, even with splitters I tried. I'm happy to report I found a splitter that will work with a 3.5mm jack and a charger port at the same time while I'm using the phone as a camera. So let's open this up, see what we get from Nicama. There's a mouse in the bag, which is an acoustic hood to go on the microphone, which is a nice little touch. I believe this was free, but it certainly came with the product. That'll be handy if you're out and about in parks or such places. You're going to get a little bit noise from the wind. So I haven't tried that, but it looks okay. In the bag we have the microphone. It's on 1.5 meters of cable. It also comes with a foam acoustic hood and the clip, because you couldn't call it a clip-on microphone without the clip. So very strong clip, that's not going to rip out. You're more likely to pull the cable out of the microphone before the clip gives in. So that, that's okay. There's a 3.5mm jack. Fits into the little splitter port that I've got. And as I already said, I can use the microphone and charge my phone at the same time, and that was becoming an issue. On this, the LVM4, you also get a 3.5mm female socket. Now the idea of this is you put a set of headphones in there, you can actually hear the voice level, your audio level coming in from the microphone, which is quite good. If for instance the microphone had become unclipped from yourself and you didn't know about it, and it's dragging on the floor, at least you'd have some sort of feedback that the sound quality isn't quite so good as you'd expect it to be. So that's a nice little touch. I've not used that yet. No reason for me to think it doesn't work, but that may well be a function I'm going to use soon. What can I say? It's £15 microphone. It does work, it does the trick. There is a book of words that comes with it. All in English, and even on this occasion in colour. It tells you all about frequency responses and everything else. That I'm not that interested in, apart from the fact I know it does work. Hopefully you can hear me. Nicama seem to do at least 4 different models, but this is the LVM4 from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description so you can track it down if you wish to. But yeah, that's very good. What I'm going to show you in a moment, I'll have to disconnect it from the phone because I'm using it to charge the phone at the moment, is a splitter that allows me to use the microphone and the charger at the same time. So I'll unclip that and I'll come back to you. Just bear with me a couple of seconds. Okay, forgive the sound quality. I'm now down to the microphone in the phone I'm using. This is the lightning adapter I've got from Amazon that does actually work for the purpose I needed it to. Got a lightning port plug there, got 2 female lightning ports this end. Into there I'll put the little adapter that I got with my phone that Apple supplied. Lightning adapter to 3.5mm jack, and that's what I wanted to go with this microphone. So that simply goes into there. The charging cable will pop into there, and obviously this end goes into the phone. So yeah, I'm charged up now. I can charge a phone and use the microphone. Sometimes what I do, I use the phone for Chromecast into a monitor I have, so I can see what I'm actually doing. And that does suck the battery very, very quickly from the phone. So this is the reason I needed the charger. Or to be able to charge at the same time as using the microphone. I'll leave links in the description for the Nicama microphone, the LVM4, and also this little splitter. like I said earlier in the video, I have had these splitters, this type of splitter before, with a dual lightning port, and they didn't work with a lightning adapter, microphone and the charger port at the same time. So I'm pleased to find one that did work with a 3.5mm jack and the little adapter that Apple gave me. So yeah, all in all, a bit of a result there. There's a Nicama mouse, and that's a little box it came in. So yeah, around about £15 from Amazon. Not a bad microphone, but just a little tip. I broke the last microphone by leaving it plugged into the phone and put it in my pocket, and it snapped off across there, just across the port there. So at least if I go snap this off, I'm not going to break the microphone. It's just this little adapter I could replace, and I've got a few of those, so all wouldn't be lost. But anyway, if you found that useful, very happy to get a thumbs up. Subscribe if you wish, and I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if it's been informative, let me know.